Hi everybody, good morning, and it's not morning, it's afternoon. We don't usually start the vlog in the afternoon, but today we are.
Hey, good to see ya! Hi everybody, today is Saturday and we had a great morning going to the local farmers market here in Squamish. Then we worked all day to get our latest vlog up, and I think it's such a good one, so go check that out if you haven't already.
If you guys haven't seen it, go see it. It's super fun.
Seriously, it's so good. Now it's like 6 o'clock. I'm just inverting because you're supposed to invert every day. It makes you feel good. And we've been wanting to do this hike called the Chief. So we're gonna do like a van life nighttime routine while traveling, because we've done one while we live in the city and I think our lives are completely different while we're traveling. I don't know if this is like a part of our nighttime routine, but let's pretend that every night we do a hike. Thing is, like, some days we don't put away our bed.
Yeah, what percentage do you think?
I think it's like 50-50. Really depends on who we're hanging out with and stuff. It's just you and me, it's easier to do, just not putting it up. But now we're cooking, so it's easier to put it up. This guy, every time we've been talking about a hike lately, freaks out about like eating as though you can't eat too much before because you get cramps. You're scared about bears. You've gone from this like really free-spirited. I know.
I'm all like,
you're a worrywart.
is that what it is?
Yeah.
It runs in the family.
But out of nowhere, you used to be the most chill dude ever.
Whatever, bro. I don't even need dinner tonight. I'll have one of these.
So anyways, the plan has become that we're gonna make enough food to have some now and some later. Eamon also bought Bedtime cereal to have after the hike, and I'm sure we have lots of other snacks. So on the menu tonight is like a twist on tacos. We couldn't find.
Oh, let's tell them about what we did find. This is a company or an idea that will kill it
if
they
it's
do
good.
It right.
Yeah.
It's cashew cream, and it's jalapeno flavor, which if you guys follow Freestyle Fridays, you know I put jalapenos in my cashew cream. So shout out to Spread 'em. Let's see what we got.
We always say veganism is gonna take a turn when we get products like this in grocery stores.
100%.
Oh, just with the finger. We didn't have cashews. We didn't have cashews to make our own cashew cream today, and we weren't really feeling up for all that work. Not that it's that much work, but
this is gonna elevate it to the next level, dude.
Okay, let's make dinner. Hike, shower. I'll show you where we park. Oh my god, that sounds fun.
I have some questions about my little rig we have set up. So I got this from like Home Depot, and this is just a bolt with the same size thread that you need for the head that came with this tripod. So then you thread that on, and then you just treat it like a normal hoodookee. And I just kind of modified these like little flap brackets so it stays there.
And this is what it looks like when we're in frame.
Are you in frame?
Almost.
Oh dude, I usually put the wide on.
Oh.
Hold on one sec, let me throw that wide on. This is
okay.
The 12 to 40, here's the wide.
You wanna change it?
Oh, it's gonna do like a Casey Neistat thing, like switch to the wide.
Okay.
Switch to the wide. Hi friends, much wider.
Oh wow, that's awesome.
Isn't that better?
So good.
Okay, how's those tacos looking?
Okay, these tacos are already looking phenomenal.
You're being vlogged by 2 different angles.
Oh my gosh, 2 different angles? What? You know what I actually am finding really interesting? I bet you if you compare this video to our van life routine while living in a city, it'd be pretty similar.
We're probably eating tacos?
No, probably.
Did you put pesto and cashew cream?
Of course I did.
Let's try and finish this pesto though, no?
Oh yeah, I'll take more.
No es posible?
No, but can we not finish it when we get back from the hike? Because it'd be so good.
Okay, so we are now cleaned up, ready to go. Now we're gonna start our 2.5 hour hike up the Chief of Squamish. That's what it's called.
That was in sync. Okay.
Hike's going well.
Halfway, I'm guessing, I have no idea. Straight incline, straight altitude. But it feels so good once you start, doesn't it?
It's beautiful. It's really calm, really quiet.
Yeah. And we were saying that like this is kind of our time because there's no technology or anything. We just connect and chat and talk about future plans and all that kind of good stuff. So I just love it.
I will say one thing, we are the only ones that are going up. So
it's scary. We're definitely going to be coming down when it's dark. That should be interesting.
we'll see.
Do I have a sweat mustache, you guys?
No.
No?
Surprisingly.
I think we've almost made it. We decided not to go to the first peak. We're going to the second peak. It's a little further. We thought because it was further, it might be less crowded. But now it looks like we have to climb this ladder.
How fun does that look? By ladder, they mean metal stakes running out of the rock.
Wait there and let me show them.
I have no idea if this is like where you should be because there was like a danger sign, use it at your own risk, so I don't know if this is actually peak 2.
No, it's definitely not peak 2's over there. I see people. There's a guy up at the top over there.
We've got our own peak. This is peak 4.
This is peak Eamon and back.
It's unreal.
Wow.
I'm gonna try and show you the view, but
It's never gonna do it justice.
you gotta climb up here yourself.
I'm so grateful for today. Best day ever.
Amazing.
This is amazing! Real.
So rewarding being able to hike
I know.
and then you're just literally alone. And I can't even describe like how calm it is. Like if you look, there's no wind. It's like perfectly still. The water down there is like totally flat.
It's amazing.
Wow. You will not believe this. Let me see if I can punch you in a little more. Hold on. This guy, we thought we were setting up a tent. He is putting on a helmet and he's wearing a wingsuit. He's about to jump off this cliff.
Oh my god.
What a legend, dude. I'll give you some perspective. Look at this.
We saw him like looking over and we saw him pulling out a red thing. We're like, oh, he's gonna tent there for the night. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Nah. He's gonna jump off a cliff.
Nar
Doesn't
bucket.
it need wind? There's no wind.
No. He's got gravity, dude. He's dropping. Well, she'll make wind. He can't go that far. Like, I'd be impressed if he gets over the logs.
Oh
my god.
Where did the person go that was with him? What's that for?
Letting him know he's jumping. Yeah, buddy! You can do it. Where'd you go, bud?
Oh my god. Does he
He's got a parachute. You see him anywhere?
No.
We're gonna head back down now because it's starting to get dark and
This is beautiful thing.
we don't have a wingsuit, so we actually have to walk down. Maybe one day.
I don't even like that joke. That's
Okay.
a stupid joke.
My bad.
I don't even know if I want this on. I'll put it around my waist. It's about 9 o'clock and the sun has pretty much set, so we've got our handy dandy headlamps on and we're going to make the trek back.
Good times all around.
Except for me, because I've got knee problems when I descend, so I'm like an old granny going down these things.
Good thing we got the lights, hey?
Yeah, good thing.
Made it back to the car park. It's quite a bit lighter than I thought it was. So we're actually gonna quickly test out the shower. We've got about half of it full, so it's enough for a quick rinse off. And I don't think we've shown you guys how the shower works, but we'll quickly show you that and then we will quickly find a spot to park for the night, because you can't park here. It's my sexy Sheila over there. Yep, quite the looker.
Excited to shower.
Basically, I hooked this up to the bottom here. Pump goes to here. And then I'll pass that to back. We might be out of luck. Hey babe. Yeah, there might not be any water in here. Yeah, I thought it was half full. Nah, so empty, dude.
I would
Huge
give
disappointment.
my left nut to get a shower today. Honestly, I hate that it's like
Beck's doing a full body baby wipe shower right now.
Yeah.
I'd love to show you, but demonetized.
Yeah, I'll talk to the camera after, I guess.
I'm feeling like a bowl of cereal. How about you?
I might have a bite or two.
Should I make a big one and you'll have a few bites?
Yeah, I think this is a really important time too to note that if you want to cause ruckus, do it at the spot where you park.
What kind of ruckus?
I just mean like we were trying to shower outside. You might hear some noise in here. When you want to park, you've got to be like ready to go to sleep.
Don't have a shower.
Don't have a shower outside where you're trying to park, because that just causes all the locals to be like, why is this dude sleeping in their car?
Right. So yeah, we're gonna have cereal,
Baby wipe
showers,
baby wipe.
and whatever else we get up to tonight. It's
Maybe
gonna be
we could
crazy.
do facials. Do you want to do a clay facial with
I'd
me?
love a facial.
I hate when you chew.
Levi,
Yo, Eamon, what's up, man? We gonna make something happen?
we're gonna make it happen, brother.
You're getting a facial right now? Crazy. I've never gotten a facial before.
Hey, bro, if you play your cards right, she might hit you up.
So, what does the next 48 hours look like for you guys?
I'm just vlogging so you can hype it up. If any of the true EMB squad know Levi Allen, some magic is about to happen this weekend, so stay tuned.
With our glowing skin, we are headed off to park somewhere quiet for the evening. The Chief parking lot. I don't know, it did seem like there were a couple of vans that were gonna park there overnight, but there's a bunch of signs that say no overnight camping, so we're just gonna head into town a little bit. We have a spot that hasn't given us any trouble, so we're gonna roll up, be real quiet, and probably just hit the sack.
There's also a Walmart in town,
Yes.
so that's always a
Plan B. We realized that Levi isn't going to be in Squamish until 2 p.m. tomorrow, and we're like, what should we do all day? And I've been wanting to check out Shannon Falls, so we thought we'll just sneaky deaky park around back of the casino.
Sneaky deaky
And so that's where we are. Let's go to sleep. Let's brush those teeth. Let's pull out the bed. I've been flossing every day, guys.
Time to have a little party. I don't know why I said that.
Cause you're a weirdo.
Let's go, kid.
Okay, I'm just like comfy in this moment.
I know, but the security guard's coming now.
Okay.
See, that's such an easy way to get her to move. She's so terrified of public service people.
I like to obey by the rules. How long my arm looks on the wide. Ah. For any of those of you who are entrepreneurs, or like just doing your own thing, or don't have benefits or whatever, you know how important it is to keep the dentist and doctor at bay. So my 28th birthday resolution, if that's a thing.
1 apple a day and floss twice daily.
Yeah, my resolution was to floss once a day moving forward, and now I do it twice a day. Eamon thinks you guys have all seen this, but just in case you haven't, we've got a slat design bed. She pulls across. Then we store all of our goodies in the corner.
This is where I do a walk.
You get hurt every time. Maybe we should call this video our van life unroutine. If like maybe something like cute like that. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean that sounds not very searchable to me. Making YouTube videos, unfortunately, is all about searchability. Because I'd like to title this "Facials with My Boo."
Who's gonna search that? Anyways, you guys, if you made it this far in the video, why don't you go ahead and give us a big
You might as well.
thumbs
If you made
up.
it this far,
Let us know that you've made it this far.
let's break
by
the
giving
charts,
us-
guys. What's the most L's we've ever had?
I think like 3,000.
Let's shoot for 4.
We can do it.
We can do it.
We can do it. We really hope you guys enjoyed just like a night with us. Maybe it wasn't the most routine, but that's kind of what van life is in my opinion. It's never super routine, and that's why we love it.
Stay tuned for some exciting vidsters coming up. We're gonna be hanging out with Levi Allen, the GH5 Master.
And his boo.
And Janelle. She's a sweetheart.
Eamon's so obsessed with them. I can't wait to meet you guys either.
I'm really stoked to meet Levi, but I'm also really stoked to like hang out with someone that has a GH5. And like he is so epic. If you guys don't know who he is,
he's really, really talented.
Go over to his channel. We'll link him up below. He's like, he's a filmmaker, so he's like
next level.
Beauty B-roll. You think my B-roll is good?
Anyways, thanks so much for watching, you guys. We're gonna go to sleep.
See you in the next one.
See you in the next one.
That's it. That's all we got.
Okay.
The harder you work, the harder you play.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's what you want it to be. The harder you work, the harder you play. Okay, bye guys. Like, subscribe, tweet me.
Still teaching back when... Okay, bye.